they've been struggling with the same issue when it comes to graphic cards, heat. But currently they are giving some good ones, and we can talk about the AMD graphic cards. We are talking about graphics on a different level. Okay, now this is done. You got the gist of graphics, right?
Yes.
Okay. In details, we'll talk that later. Now, you know what is this?
Yes.
Power supply unit. One major part is the power supply unit. When you combine all these things, there is a calculation of how much power you need. It's not about the voltage, it's about the wattage. Each and every component requires a particular. When it comes to processors, it's written on the box TDP 125 watt, TDP 90 watts, like that. Plus, when it comes to a graphic card, it requires a minimum this much of wattage, 650, 550, 750 watts. And power supply unit is the main unit, supplies power and protect. This has ABRs, these have capacity locks and everything. So this kind of protects all the other components, mainly the motherboard. If something happens to the motherboard, mostly chance, if this gets burned, there is a huge chance the processor will get burned, the RAM will get burned with the storage device, with the VGA. So you have to go for a branded power supply always, rather than going for new cheap. For an example, there are